Today we're going to make some secret code name art. To start, you should have a What's Your Name code sheet. This will either be printed out and given to you if you are in class with me, or it is posted on the Seesaw activity page. On this sheet it says, spell your first name by drawing the picture near the letters of your name. You can choose the color, size, and placement of each. You don't have to draw in a row. Draw big to fill up your paper. Color it in. For a challenge, add your middle name or last name too. So, we have the whole alphabet on our page, and next to each letter there is a symbol or drawing. So on your white paper and with your crayon and even your pencils, you're going to draw each symbol or drawing for the letters in your name. So for example, I'm going to make one that says Mrs. Good in a secret code. So the first letter in Mrs. Good is M, so I need to find M on the page and draw this symbol or drawing, which is this nice little zigzag. So I'm going to put this right next to me so I can look at it while I draw, and I'm going to create Mrs. Good. So for that zigzag, I think I'm going to make it purple, and I'm going to make it going really big across my page. Now it's okay if your drawings are not exactly like the ones on the page, but you should try to make it similar to it so that if one of us looks at your drawing, we can decode your name just like a spy. So the next letter I have is R, so I'm going to find R, and oh, it's a nice heart. I think I'm going to make my heart red, and I'm going to put it into the corner here. So I'm turning my page a little bit and drawing it nice and big. Now, like I said, we're using crayon, but if you want to use pencil to draw your symbols and then go over them with crayon, if you want to leave some drawings with pencil and have some with crayon, that's fine too. So now I'm going to finish the rest of my name art, and I'm going to be sure to color the entire page. Here we go. Alright, my secret name code art is finished. As you can see, I colored the entire page, even the spaces between my secret code symbols, and then I used a black crayon and I pushed hard to trace parts of and entire symbols just to make them pop. I cannot wait to see your secret code art.